Here's a really unique wood, curly maple. Now I had mentioned in other videos probably, but this is a really good example of it. And it planed off nice, so that's really good. It's harder to plane because you have that grain coming up. It's like scooping up, and the planer blades have to be really sharp and not taking off too much to get a nice job. But this one did come out really good. And it's contrast with some cherry on this side and some butternut. These are both butternut. This is towards the side edge of the tree, or the outer edge of the tree. And this is more towards the center. But the, also called white walnut. But this curly maple is just outstanding. I'm sure it was a smaller piece, but since I was doing short pieces, I was able to use it. So this is one of the foosball table tops. I have 4 of them made for the top of a foosball table. And it just shows you all the cool wood. Even from here you can see the curliness of that piece. Just really nice how it reflects the light. 3-dimensional. So curly maple. Really cool. Northeastern United States. It's quite rare. You will find trees. If you find a tree that has curly in it, it'll have heavy curl in areas and lighter curly. It seems to go throughout the tree. And you'll see it when you're splitting the firewood. You'll see it it's got a wave to it. So it's probably a genetic variant is what it is. Abnormality, but very cool effect. Again, character.